Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure you have an Azure subscription and owner or contributor access to the resources you will monitor. Next, create or pick a log analytics workspace. Region and resource group matter for compliance and latency. Once done, register the Microsoft. Operational Insights and Microsoft. Insights resource providers in your subscription so the service can provision workspace components. Do this now so you can attach monitoring quickly. This upfront configuration prevents permission and deployment errors later on. You now connect resources to the workspace. For virtual machines, install the Azure Monitor Agent AMA. For new deployments, because it supports unified telemetry, use the Log Analytics Agent only where compatibility requires it. Then, open each resource's diagnostic settings and route the desired logs and metrics to the workspace. Select categories and retention for cost control. Once that's configured, link subscriptions and apply policy-driven deployment of agents to enforce scale. Make sure to test one resource before wide rollout. You finalize by verifying data flow and tuning settings. Go to Logs, run a sample query, and confirm telemetry appears. Most data shows within 15 minutes. Once visible, adjust collection scopes, retention days, and pricing tier to balance cost and performance. If you encounter missing data, check the agent health on the host, ensure outbound network connectivity to Azure Monitor endpoints, and verify workspace permissions and diagnostic settings. If issues persist, redeploy the agent and review activity logs for deployment or permission errors to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.